All right, we're all set, and it's recording, and let's go.
So do you have anything to like open up?
This is leave upside down.
So, if you don't mind me sitting down.
Yeah, not at all.
Cool.
Yourself at home. I'm sure I can't get you
I'm okay. Thank you so much. It's kind of you. I've been doing a lot of it, so I'm like literally driving around. So I'm like focused. I'm really focused. I love doing my job. I love bringing all the technologies to like you guys, man. Seeing how like excited you guys get, man. And, like it gets me excited because I love the exact same thing. So it's just like, oh my god, yeah. You don't understand. Like I met so many people and there are so many areas like who are buying this for different reasons, and it's like it's amazing. It's mind blowing. So there it is. You have to open that one. Come on. Smell the new box. You know?
Yeah.
Right, here we go.
No, I'm expecting light to just shine
Yeah, I know.
out like the briefcase. Yeah.
So
Magic Leap 1 Creator Edition.
So it's the quick start guide and just a little. It shows you a website with like just being safety.
Okay. It's the TLDR for later.
Here it is. Look how simple and clean it looks.
Nice
Beautiful.
packing. I was told this is quite light.
Yeah, this is the light pack. So if you want it, it's connected to light wire.
Okay.
Perfect. So if you want to handle it by holding it from the sides and the back, not where the lens is in the digital light field and eye tracking is.
Right. So for comparison, HoloLens on the left, Magic Leap 1 on the right. It's significantly lighter. Okay. And we go through the entire unboxing, or shall I skip ahead?
Do whatever you want. You can do anything.
I've
Whatever
never
you
done unboxing videos, so I'm not sure what typically people would like to see. But
this is the cloth.
Okay.
Yeah. So, I mean, to clean the lenses.
Yeah.
This is the control.
Yeah.
Well, you should know.
Self-explanatory.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Well, I have.
Yeah, I know. Good job. Yeah. If you go over here, this is called a fit kit to tailor to your size, your head. There's 5 nose pads and 2 forehead pads. Depending on the shape of your head, shape of your nose. Okay, so hand aside. Packing is very organized, very nicely done. This label, the one is already on. So the one forehead 1, nose pad 1 is already attached to the Magic Leap.
And nose bridge 1 as well is already installed.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice.
To the side. So if you go open this right here on the side, this is basically the control charger, which could be attached to the wall. And in the accessory, control accessory, if you want to open it, let's see what's inside. Same thing, yeah.
Good job narrating. I really don't know if I'll be sharing this.
It's okay.
Anyone,
I mean, if you do, I'll guide you through it. So it comes with the wristband to help you keep your control safe.
It's cute.
I wish I got one too, but and it comes with the USB-C to charge your control to the light charger, which is right here. And you input the USB-C here, and you put the USB-C on the bottom of the control.
Yep. Nice form factor.
It's pretty sturdy if you look at it compared to the other USB-Cs. Very sturdy.
So the developer hub, that hub that's coming in the mail later.
It's gonna take around like 2 weeks, I think.
Right, but the whole point is that it has a direct connection to the headset, so I can deploy directly from my USB.
That I'm not sure, but we can look online on the website on what it actually does.
I'm sure I'll find out.
Yeah, of course.
Nice.
It's built very nicely, smooth. Exactly, and you connect it to.
And that will be connected
to the control right
to
there.
the controller.
So if you look in the bottom of that, there's like an input right there.
Yep. So shall I be charging this right now, or does it?
No, it has a good amount of charge.
Okay.
And we can check it as we go on and set it up. It has a long cord too, so.
All right.
Cool. So we open this side. You can kind of tell what's on the other side, right? The other side is the light pack charger. It's a little bit bigger. This one has, I think, 75 watts, and this one has 15 watts. And you can tell the difference. Oh, you can take that out too. Right? And everyone loves peeling that sticker for the first time. It's like satisfying.
There are none on the sensors, right? I don't see any.
The infrared right here. This is the sweet sensor. This is the LED indicator. This is the camera. And if you see in the bottom right here, these little doors, these are the microphones. And there's actually a microphone right here and a microphone on the sides. And the audio is right there. What's your tempo?
And so for the eye tracking camera,
It's
is
the
it
black
just?
one right there.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the digital light field is right there.
Yep, I can see the chip. Yep.
And that's why we need to measure the size of the magic leap to your head, because we need a good amount of room for the eye tracker to see your eyes.
Right, makes sense.
And what's great about this too is you could easily change your forehead pad and your nose pad easily because they're all magnetic.
So what I've done is I've just removed this part to remove the films that were on top of either.
So this thing, I don't know if you know what this is. Later in the year, you could actually get prescription glasses.
So I don't need this on there at all.
I would just leave it there because it is magnetic. Just leave it there.
Okay.
It is magnetic.
I see that it is snapping, yeah. It's just the nose guard keeps flipping in the way. Nice form factor.
So to adjust it, so this is it has like a magnetic signal to the control. And it has a 6 degrees of freedom. Control, yes. So like I said, whenever you're holding the Magic Leap 1, hold it like this, and then you're never touching the high-tech part. And whenever you put it onto your head, make sure you pull it like this, and then put it into your head and just adjust it.
I feel this video is becoming a.
I know. I don't know. I just got zoned into this, so it's just like. I mean, if it helps you out, that's what I'm gonna do. You know. So this is the light pack. The battery's right here. And this is basically the computer.
Oh yeah. So we have a reality button. I've never heard
and
of
if no one knows what a reality button is, basically when you turn it on, it basically turns off the audio and all the digital feed that comes out of the Magic Leap.
Lots of ventilation. And it's spring loaded, right?
Yeah. So one thing that's great about this is you literally, it's not spring loaded, it's just basically you put it in your pocket. Okay. It snaps into your pocket.
Okay.
So
it
doesn't
void now, right? Yeah. Sounds good. Shall I go ahead and
go for it, man. Go for it. There you go. You got the right form. So whenever you put the lightware in, make sure. A lot of people, whenever they put their glasses on, they put it by their ears. Make sure it's levitated over your ears, not touching it, because you need that angle. So bring it up.
Right. The problem is that the wires
right there
back here, the tether is pulling it down.
So once you secure it, tighten it, it shouldn't be a problem.
All right.
Like that, and this has to be in your pocket. But whenever you put the lightware on, make sure you put the light pack in first. Like, think about it. Say if you put the lightware on first and you forget about the light pack laying there.
Right.
You get immersed to what's going on, you just walk away, the light pack falls down.
Right.
When the light pack falls down, it's attached to the lightware and it pulls it. You want to be super safe.
I hear a noise, I see some sign of
Well, you turned it on. You turned it on. So what you did was you hold the button for like around 3 seconds until you see a light moving through. We call that a sunrise. It looks like a sunrise because it's like orange.
Nice.
And that's a sign of life.
So I do see a little bit of light difference in my vision. I haven't seen any artifact yet.
So it takes around, I would roughly say around 45 seconds to a minute to actually start running. It is a computer. But whenever you want, you could put that in your pocket
But this is, are you aware of the development stack? Are you aware if this is the Davlik OS?
No, I don't know. Yeah.
I know it's Lumen based on,
Yeah.
I believe, Davlik. I
Mhm.
believe it's a
Lumen SDK?
the Lumen OS.
Yes,
Lumen
okay,
SDK
okay.
is on the.
Got you. So another sign of life is basically the infrared starts blinking red. How does the audio
First
sound?
vision. Yeah, the audio is very good, and I see Magic Leap standing right next to the camera, which
Perfect.
is surreal.
What's great too is you can increase the audio. So one thing, how to connect the control to the light pack is basically turning it on the same way you turned on your light pack.
Press the home button on the control
Which
to turn
it
on.
automatically, once it's close to the light pack, it'll
Bring the
automatically
control
sync on
near
its
the
own.
light pack to pair with your device.
Like that. I'll let the audio
Right.
guide you and the camera.
I kind of find it's beneficial. Let me dictate it if you don't mind.
Go for it.
So it just says pair your controller, press the home button, there's a control for 2 seconds to turn it on, and then bring the control near the light back. There's a little bit of haptic feedback on the device. Press the trigger to control. It's very simple,
It's
pretty
time
straightforward.
to learn the control basics. Press the home
field
button
of
to
view
go
is
back.
very unimpressive, I'm afraid.
Swipe the touchpad to navigate, and press the trigger to select. Next step is
Pretty
fitting
much the
and
same
calibration.
UX experience you would have on a Go. I know that this is 6 DOF, however, not just 3 DOF. Fit and calibration. The graphics are pretty good. Better than I was expecting, I'm happy to say. It's just the field of view is wow.
Hopefully the adjusting the fit to your head might make it better.
Raise the back of the lightwear with both hands until you see the circles in all 4 corners of the display.
Done.
Keep
I
in
know what
mind,
you said about
the
I
device
need
should
to
not
have
rest on
it
your
on me,
ears
but
like normal glasses.
No, it's totally fine.
Once you see the circles, push the back of the headband together for a snug and stable fit. If you give your head a shake, the device now lets scan to find your best fit. Look straight ahead at the circle and press the trigger to begin.
So I'm looking at the center of the vision, a prompt that's floating in front of me, and it is apparently scanning my eye. So I imagine this is using the eye tracking cameras to figure out my specific IPD, perhaps. Is your skin in contact with these 2 areas?
Look, you're good. Everything looks great.
Fitting complete.
What's
Your lightwear has been tailored just for you.
So I believe
Run fit again at any time from settings.
So I believe it's asking me to tilt it upwards so that I don't touch this against my forehead, because apparently this part gets quite warm.
Yeah. And also you want to see give it enough angle so the eye tracker can see your eyes.
Right.
What's great
That's
is
actually, since the cameras are below them, it would actually make sense that this was further tilted upwards.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
What's great is I could actually see on my side and see if this was the preferable size for you, and which it was. So I'm like, okay, cool.
Okay. This is not getting it warm at all yet, just a little bit. It's quite nice and cool so far. Not been very long. It's just saying loading.
Yeah, the eye calibration is next. So.
Okay, so unfortunately this is going to annoy the hell out of me, but I do see RGB channel separation when I move my eye too quickly. I forget what the technology is that does that, but that's really annoying. Like when you move your focal point from corner to corner, you see red.
Okay. Right now,
Once we begin, please look at the center of the target. The target will move to a new position when data collection is complete.
That's neat. 14 targets in total, so this is calibration for the entire, I guess, movement of my eyes. And it's asking me to track a floating... I've lost count, but should be nearing the end.
Count.
Calibration successful.
Perfect. That's okay. I lost count.
Calibrated for your final step. Let's connect you to Wi-Fi and set up your account.
Okay, well, from here on, I'm going to take my time and explore, but I think that was part of the white glove service.
Yeah, I mean, as long as I can show you the experience, I could actually go through apps for you, but it's up to you. I don't mind anything.
Well, like I said, I'm a developer, so I'll be I'm not going to be sleeping tonight.
Oh, for sure, for sure. Well, it was a pleasure meeting all you guys who are who are watching. Hopefully, I did a good job and helped you out as best as I can. What'd you think?
So for disembarking,
Mm-hmm.
how do I proceed? Hit the power button first? Would you recommend I just take it off?
So, whenever I take out a magic leap, just level it and just put it down.
I meant from software. There's no sleep mode I should go into.
There's
first.
automatically go into sleep mode, but you just have to turn this on to turn back on.
Sounds good.
And let me just
Yeehaw.
let me just.
And that was a nice fit. So I think.
Yeah. So the one thing about us is we can see from the outside view of how the fit works, and I saw how like the eye tracker was actually perfect.
Yeah.
Seeing your eyes, I'm like, okay, it's gonna be fine.
Yeah.
There's not gonna be an error. And if there is an error, the Magic Leap, which is great, will tell you like, hey, you need a nose pad 2 sizes higher, or hey, you need a forehead pad lower. So yeah, that's cool too. So I was like,
yeah, this one I kind of always felt comfortable, specifically putting the forehead
oh yeah.
above on the crown and let the headset fall down.
Yeah.
That's exactly what that's doing.
Yeah.
So it's going to be comfortable.
Yeah.
I think just as comfortable as this.
I'm glad.
That, unfortunately, is touching the bridge of my nose, which this does not.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I have to get used to that. But other than that, yeah, happy, joy.
Can you sign this?
Yeah.
You can post that on your backpack if you have a backpack. So, how'd I do? Was it okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm glad.
Thank you, sir.
Like I said, I'm here for you guys, making you guys happy and delivering this product to you guys as fast as possible.
Yeah, I'm sure it's.
I love it. I love it. I love seeing you guys happy, and I can't wait to see what you guys create with this. So I'm happy. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to text. You have my number. Just call or text me. Actually, you don't have my number because you gave me a wrong.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. If you want here, let me give you my number.
Or you say you've emailed as well. So
I sent you an email. So yeah, and my number's on that email. So
all right.
Again, it was my pleasure, man.
Pleasure was mine. Thank you,
All right,
sir.
have a great rest of your day.
Have a good one.
We'll do. Bye.
Bye.